Hello children, in today's session we will solve some more questions on linear equations in one variable. Let us take example number 14, page 30. The digits of two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged, the resulting number is added to the original number. We get 143. What can be the original number? Okay, now you know that any two-digit number can be written as, suppose you have 48. It can be written as 4 into 10 plus 8. And if we interchange this number, digits of this number, we will get 84. It can be written as 8 into 10 plus 4. Okay. Now the question is the digits of two-digit number differ by 3. Means if it in this digit unit place is B, at unit place digit is B, then at tens place it will be B plus 3. तो क्या लेंगे? Let the two-digit number such that the digit in the unit place is B. The digit is in the tens place differ by 3. So the digit at tens place will be according to question क्या है? B plus 3 है. क्लियर? क्योंकि इन दोनों का डिफरेंस हम निकालेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 3. तो नाउ टू डिजिट नंबर क्या हो जाएगा आपका? सो टू डिजिट नंबर विल बी according to question, it will be 10 into B plus 3 plus B. Because tens place पे क्या है? B plus 3 है and unit place पे B. So number two digit number will be 10 B plus 3 plus B. If we simplify it, we will get 10B plus 30 plus B. 11B plus 30. Clear? Now if the digits are interchanged, तो interchange करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? In place of tens it will be B and in place of units it will be B plus 3. So we will write after interchanging the digits, two digit number will be ten B and unit place पे क्या हो जाएगा? B plus 3. Clear? It will be 11B plus 3. इसे 2 नंबर लिख देते हैं. Now add the resulting number is added to the original number and the resulting number. ये नंबर आपको न्यू नंबर मिला. इन दोनों को अगर हम ऐड करते हैं 1 and 2 को, on adding 1 and 2 तो क्या होगा? 11B plus 30 प्लस 11b प्लस 3, ये कितना है 143. Clear? Now this will be 22b simplified plus 30 plus 3 33 is equal to 143. ट्वेंटी बी प्लस 33. अभी हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो 22b इज इक्वल टू 143 माइनस 33. 110. तो b विल बी 5. b इज 5 मीन्स यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या हो गया 5 हो गया. तो टेंस प्लेस पे क्या था b प्लस 3 था. तो b प्लस 3 तो नंबर विल बी क्या हो जाएगा 10 इंटू बी प्लस 3 प्लस बी. राइट हियर, राइट इट हियर. b is equal to 3, so the 2-digit number will be 10 into b plus 3 plus b means 10 into, in place of b we will write 5. 5 plus 3 plus 5. 10 into 8 plus 5 means 80 plus 5. It will be 85. Clear? तो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा 2-digit नंबर 85 होगा. If we interchange this digit, we will get 58, and 58 plus 85 क्या होता है 143. Now example 15. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their ages. Now first we will take Shriya age is X. Let present age of Shriya be क्या है X ईयर. तो अर्जुन एज ऑफ प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ अर्जुन क्या हो जाएगी अर्जुन विल बी 2x. ठीक है. 5 years ago, तो 5 years ago श्रेया, एज ऑफ श्रेया क्या होगी? 5 years ago श्रेया's एज x minus 5, ठीक है. एंड 5 years ago अर्जुन से एज क्या हो जाएगी? 2x minus 5. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन क्या है? 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. According to question, क्या है यहाँ पे? श्रेया की एज x minus 5 थी 5 साल पहले और अर्जुन की 2x minus 5 थी. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन अर्जुन की एज है 3 times एज ऑफ श्रेया. तो 2x minus 5 इज इक्वल टू 3 of x minus 5. Okay, now simplify it. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 15. Clear? Now we will transpose 3x from left hand side to right hand side and constant minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 15 plus 5. It will be minus x is equal to minus 10, or you can write minus cancel हो जाएंगे, x is equal to 10. Clear? So present age of Shreya क्या होगी? 10 years and age of Arjun 20 years. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा आपका? प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ श्रेया इज इक्वल टू 10 years एंड प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ अर्जुन इज इक्वल टू 2x is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20 years. Clear? Now your exercise 2.4 is based on this type of questions. Do it